I want it better than the weekend. We can take it back to when we said just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'd fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can show me just what I'm missing. Pretend.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate it. Thank y'all for all my new subbies and all my old subbies. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. So without further ado, y'all, I am going to be making my first basket. Yes, I did say my first basket of this year. When I say I'm behind, I mean I'm truly behind, like I said in the other video. I'm going to come on here and get my baskets on, so I ain't going to be talking much. I'm just going to play the video. Y'all going to listen to the music. And we're going to sit back and make this first basket so I can get my juices flowing, y'all. But really quick, I want to show y'all how I look for my snacks. Like I said, I don't know if y'all got a big lot, but if you do, check out their snacks. For some of y'all that are looking for a way to buy snacks instead of Dollar Tree, because each one of those snacks are $1.25 each. So I look for bulk if you can. That's if you can. I'm not saying everybody is able to do this, but if you are able to do this, this is a good way of finding your bulk products. And this only costs me, okay, this is not going to show. Let me show you. $7.34. So I can make 46. I can get 46 baskets made with this. So that is what I like to shop for. Clearance specials. Everything was on clearance. So, without further ado, let's get on into this video, y'all, because we got to get done. We got to get on the road. I got to get busy. So, y'all sit back and relax and enjoy. All right? Quick, these are some of the boxes that I use. I get from the post office for free. And this is how I make some of my baskets or unbaskets for Easter. And I use these as stuffers as well. Stuffers. So, I am going to be using this backpack. And I'm going to put this box inside of here just to fill it out more. Just in case some of my new subbies are wondering, how do you fill a box or where do you get boxes from? I get mine from the post office. And they have different sizes. But if you need one bigger, I say go look behind the store or ask somebody or get them for free, y'all. Don't go buy boxes. Boxes are for free. I would not recommend you buying any boxes. Unless you just necessarily have to. Medium flat rate box size. I like it like that so that I can sit things on top. I can stuff this part with snacks. And I gotta get my paper. I need the paper to cover this part. Alright, so I'm gonna use regular tissue paper. And we're gonna cover this side. I do this before I tape it down because I don't want to tape it and then have to move everything around. back is what it is. That is it for this. Whoa. See how it's important to tape it down? All right, y'all. That is it for my first unbasket Easter basket. That is all I'm putting in here. The singing doll, the stuffed animal, the bubbles, the puppet, the snacks, some chalk, earrings, and the backpack itself. And that is pretty much it. That's it. All right, so that is it, y'all. If y'all made it to the end of this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate it. Y'all be blessed. And don't forget to go out there and be a blessing to someone else. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness.